Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create this wave text effect with Illustrator. So let's get started. First select the line segment tool and draw a vertical line. Then go to Effect and open the Transform panel. Change horizontal move to 20 pixels, create 100 copies. Again go to Effect and select Zigzag and change points to smooth and change size and ridges per segment to 11 pixels. Now create a text layer. Select both and align properly. Right-click and make a clipping mask. Done. Hope you liked the tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.